morning everyone, I'm Dr. Shivi Singh from the School of Liberal Arts, Bennett University. Now, as you all know, the final exam will consist of 3 components: Forging New India, Game of Go, and the Classroom Charter. Now let's see how these 3 components are related to professional etiquettes. The game of Go, simple in appearance, is yet profound in spirit. It teaches us the essence of professional etiquettes. In Go, every move is guided not just by strategy but by respect. Before the game of Go begins, players bow to each other. This simple gesture reflects gratitude, humility, and acknowledgement, just like greeting a colleague or thanking a teammate at work. Now, during the game, players remain calm and composed. There is silence, concentration, and a shared sense of respect for the whole process. No interruptions, no outbursts. This reminds us that etiquette is not just about rules alone. It's about maintaining grace under pressure and being mindful of others' presence. Now, personal courtesy requires us to listen fully before responding, to allow space for another's thoughts. The handling of the board itself is a lesson in mindfulness. Every stone is placed neatly, deliberately, and the play area is kept clean and orderly. Now, in professional life, the same sense of order, a tidy workspace, an organized meeting, a clear communication reflects respect for others and for the task at hand. Now, the next component, which is the review of the Forging New India book, invites you to imagine the kind of nation you want to build, one grounded in values, discipline, and responsibility. Professional etiquette in this context means learning to carry ourselves as contributors to that vision. It's not about formal behavior alone. It's about how we think, speak, and act in ways that build trust, harmony, and progress. Now, Forging New India reminds us that courtesy and cooperation are not just personal virtues, they are civic responsibilities. The way we treat others, listen with respect, and fulfill our roles with sincerity, all of these are acts of nation building in miniature. So, professional etiquette begins with self-awareness and extends outwards to shape the culture we create together. Now finally, let's talk about the classroom charter. A charter is not just a document. It's a shared promise. When you all create a classroom charter together, you're saying, this is how we will treat one another. This is how we will learn, speak, and collaborate. Now, professional etiquette is the spirit that will give life to this charter. It will guide the way you listen, how you disagree respectfully, and how you take responsibility for your words and actions. Now, I would like to suggest you all an activity. It's named Etiquette in Play, Learning Professional Conduct Through Games. Now, pick a game of your choice. It could be chess, carom, badminton, tug of war, football, or even the game of Go that we discussed earlier. Now, identify the etiquettes and behaviors expected in that game, both the verbal and the non-verbal ones that make the game enjoyable and respectful. Identify at least 5 etiquettes. For example, waiting for your turn in chess teaches you patience. Congratulating your opponent in badminton teaches you humility. And working as a team in tug of war teaches coordination and respect for collective effort. Now, after the discussion, share the observations with the class and explain how these etiquettes connect to professional life. Just remember, let every game you play remind you that respect, patience, and integrity are true marks of professionalism. Thank you.